Today we're going to be making pumpkin bread. I've put all my dry ingredients in this bowl and I've already mixed it up, and I didn't have any cloves because I thought it did, but it didn't. You can substitute cinnamon, nutmeg, or for cloves, but that's already in there, so I added a half a teaspoon of each to for the cloves. So that's that. I've mixed all of my dry ingredients right here in this bowl. I'll start on my wet. I got 2 cups of sugar, and I got 1 1/2 stick of butter softened, and 2 eggs, and 1 can of pumpkin puree. So there goes the sugar, there goes the butter. You're going to need your mixer for this, and we'll start mixing it. And we're going to put 1 can of this puree. Get it all mixed together. And we're going to add the dry ingredients a little bit at a time. And scrape down the sides of the bowl. You turn your oven to 325, preheat it, and it's going to take 2 8x4 loaf pans. So get that ready. Two loaf pans, and we're going to spray them with that cooking spray real good. Don't breathe it in. Spread it out. 325 for 65 to 75 minutes. So that all depends on your oven. I'm going to start checking mine at 60. So you put her in the oven, do a little tap. Put in the middle of the oven for 60 minutes. We'll start from there to there. And we'll see how done it is. But it says 65 to 75 minutes. So we'll be back when I've checked it and it's done. And see how it turned out. I took it out of the oven. It took about 40 minutes in my oven. And so, you just have to time it there, yourself. And we got it here. And I've let it cool for about 15 minutes. And we just take a knife and kind of pull it away from the edges. And then go and flip it. Oh, here we go. Isn't that pretty? Pumpkin bread. Smells so good. Smells like fall. I hope y'all like it. So you cut off a little piece. Isn't that just moist and just beautiful inside? And we'll just wonderful. Remember, the recipe called for cloves, a teaspoon, but I didn't have any, so I added a half a teaspoon of nutmeg and a half a teaspoon more of cinnamon. Tastes just fine. Sometimes you have to substitute. Well, I hope you enjoy this recipe and try it. It's delicious. And as always, thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.